back to Mercantiler's Sunday Adventures. Well, we finally got a sunny day. It's windy, of course, because in Newfoundland it's only ever really, the only time it's ever really not windy is when it's raining. So, but anyway, we'll take it because at least it's nice and it's warmish. And look what we got going on here today now. I don't know, a couple weeks back Tyler decided he was going to buy a set of these old, used, pretty worn out looking silverbacks just to throw on his old beadlock rims that he had before the method wheels he has now. And that kind of popped into my head that I kind of like to have a set of trail tires too. So our good friends over at World Distributing hooked us up with these Aurora DNA. I guess they're made for a side-by-side, eh? I would think, yeah, probably a side-by-side tire, but they fit on here just fine. They look great. Hey, Bubby. They look great. First time I ever rode them actually was just from my house over to here and I meet Tyler, and man, they rip really well. So we're going to mix it up a little bit over the next little while. We're certainly never going to give up the mud, and we'll always be doing that content as well, but I don't know, maybe try something different, eh? We're going to go for a little cabin run today into one of the old shacks that was another one of the shacks around here that was recently destroyed. Shame on whoever did that, don't know why they got to be like that. But in the meantime, yeah, we're gonna trail rip it. Now that these bikes are both unlimited speed, things should get interesting. Come with us. The golf balls coming at me. It's hilarious. Definitely was fearing for my life that time, but definitely saw 134 that time. I don't know what we were going there, but I got a little bit freaked out and let off.
140 I got on mine. what you make it.